Wow.
One so nyame ye na wu a waso be ye hye brutal. You know what happened? Let me say the better Wednesday. But let me tell you a bit of it. They at summer hat na se na ye didi. Alaji or a Muslim.
Yeah.
When chairman
Yeah.
or a Muslim.
Casco, yeah.
And me say omo fa car bi mbra na fe ye nto.
Okay.
Nti ye didi. And me who said aduane ne ba ko ase family hwenu ma ba. Na me am wiping it off. That is what I remember.
Oh, so that who did he?
Ye didi nyasa me nko a.
Bibia enyo.
Bibia anyame.
Wanti hwe.
And
Obonfu no.
Hwe nyame.
Bibia gen count.
That is all I saw.
I see.
And to say me so better me. Ewo hospital.
Shusha ubeho. And only one Juba, yeah, Prophet Dr. Bendigo Invisible Teaching Hospital.
For your spiritual healing, please come to Nsawamu Ureku Liberty House, where the hospital is located, or Kingdom of God Ministry International, or Twase. For further information, please contact the following numbers:
020-859-9576.
This in Kwana Kaya, where dollars nasa. But what they also be *439# na wafa option number 3 na fe yetumi akọ na when you see this agubotom bibia be fine now ladies and gentlemen all right, so mami dika Emma we do emini about our wife Efiata go Akwaba. Our wife Akwaba. Is there no tribute? When you call, I know I should do the one. Open any. Efiata go is in the house. Now, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let me also introduce to you the goddess, most powerful voice. Now, I don't mean to say information center because Captain Apeka Diama, a media general, and we're into the cardinal swami. I was soon near some crowd as well, lawyer. I read the Jacob, Krumas yet to think of you. But for your information, I'm sorry, my boss, General Captain Smart, is here.
Jamie.
Chairman. Yes, we are fine.
I'm sorry,
I also sorry that Cherry. Oh, yes, me again. Oh, they're saying so haggy, so Finano. Finano, sorry, Ukrono.
If you to go.
All right, so, ladies and gentlemen, Papa no muso mo yine di no aba.
I don't see you ready.
Oh, I don't baby, I see you ready.
Anyway,
it's all over. Say, Captain, I resign. Captain, ya yine di. Captain, I resign. Ya yine di. Ya yine di na fine ko sin se bebre. Waba, on here.
You will be a colleague of you.
No. Officially, so he was on leave and he's back.
oh,
we went today.
Fine.
Yeah, do me right.
And I am say for what me I share. I'm say as someone me kind on my birthday in Crovanti.
Brofo na kan.
Brofo. Omo wan kan wi. Omo man kan wi.
Omo anti ase. That's fine. Yaba.
Sir.
Yeah, the yami ase say.
You suspended on wasen akwa abade.
Yes, was one way. Oje,
Chairman.
I'm in that media general penny for us. They be an omo ye bibia. Me fair. Me one. But the last 10-12 days in Temunino. Would you win him their course? So
oh yeah,
their course,
yeah, sure.
Me trash in Camus. I mean, that was it.
Wow.
JB.
Chairman.
Ebia ukuyada na fiada na mebo mama ne.
Okay.
Bibi wo wiase.
Sure. Sure.
Me friend me elder baako.
Okay.
Me friend is no, but other people there me friend wo me here. The friend elder na elder Odikro.
Yes, at least one bonidin several times.
Elder Odikro wo Oforikrum district.
Okay.
Church of Pentecost.
Yeah.
Embre bi oso dae na we hu osoro. Na nkrofo hihye fitaa ene ade mi dwai ye po asori mi dwai da me friend am say elder bra. Nti mo de bia mo beso dae bia no mo hu osoro. Eni nipa ni fitaa. Obi ho wu a ye nhye ni fitaa. Enso mo be kasa afi be ye ebe du ba bi no mu ina akoye fitaa.
Ne aye no.
Many breye me sofo ma me baako ono so saa na me keka kire no my JB me twahwe ye na mo friend Coma no.
Yeah.
The things I saw with this my two eyes, I was telling Afia.
Okay.
JB once nyame ye no wu aso be ye shibruta no oje we make Captain Smart na make go NGND professor
Agwabiakowo.
NGND professor na make JB.
Wow.
Wow.
The things I saw and how those things were revealed and how we played off. No? JB.
Wow.
You know what happened? Let me say the better Wednesday. But let me tell you a bit of it. May I tell some heart and ask Alaji, or a Muslim?
Yeah.
When Chichaman,
Yeah.
or a Muslim?
Casco, yeah.
And they say, "I'm for cabin branafe yento."
Okay.
Nti ye didi. And I mean, who said Bianene back once a family hunumaba? Na me am wiping off. That is what I remember.
Oh, so that who did he?
Ye didi. Yes, I mean,
Bibia enyo.
Bibia anyame.
One tishwe.
And
Obonfuno.
Shinyame.
Bibia gen counts.
That is all I saw.
I see.
Until somebody so better me. Ewo hospital. And between one way farming, baby or farming, any cow would me 2 money dear man who by me so tame me no. And I mean who car
Now
get me 2. Any baby anamida.
Wow.
Then besides a hands way. But the things I saw me casa see show ni yen to us. And ebia nyame ya adom efiada na afei yetimi akane yi pa what is so for be nya cancer da ma kunu da won bi da
we hear mate da but me
intense
yeah normal.
Okay, that's it. Tebusafo, we are back. Yeah enjoy adwuma bia and everybody sanka munima kwa kopeda de eche bia she so this week ebia next week you know unhumi no me can say me ma unhumi the usual smart. I mean, I need to go through a certain process to get everything done and done correctly.